chasm between what we're told is going on and what is really going on is absolutely enormous.
It's like we all know what's going down, but no one's saying shit what happened to the home of the brave. These motherfuckers, they controlling us now, and no one's talking about how they made us modern-day slaves. And everybody's just walking around, heading the clouds and wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up. Welcome to the end of days.
Everybody is slaves, only some are aware that the government releasing poison in the air. That's the reason I collect so many guns in my lab. I ain't never caught slipping, never underprepared. Yeah, they shade sign on me, they just spray it proudly. George Bush, the grandson of Alistair Crowley. They want you to believe a lot of the enemy Saudi. The enemy ain't Saudi, the enemy around me. It's fluoride in the water, but nobody know that. It's also a prominent ingredient in Prozac. For real? How could any government bestow that upon people who believe in political throwback? That's not all that I'm here to present you. I know about the Black Pope and Solomon's Temple. Yeah. About the Vatican assassins and how they will get you, and how they clone Barack Hussein Obama in a test tube.
It's like we all know what's going down, but no one's saying shit what happened to the home of the brave. These motherfuckers, they controlling us now, and no one's talking about how they made us modern-day slaves. And everybody's just walking around, heading the clouds and wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up. Welcome to the end.
Whoever built the pyramids had knowledge of electrical power, and you know that that's the information that they suppress and devour. Who you think the motherfuckers that crashed in the tower? Who you think that made it turn into action an hour? The same ones that invaded your own, the ones that never told you about the skeletons on the moon. Yeah, the ones that poison all the food you consume, the ones that never told you about the Mount Vesuvius tombs. The bird flu is a lie, the swine flu is a lie. Why would that even come as a surprise? Yeah, the polio vaccine made you die. It caused cancer and it cost a lot of people their lives. Do y'all know about Bohemian Grove? How the world leaders sacrificing children in robes? Lucifer is God in the public school system. I suggest you open up your ears and you listen.
It's like we all know what's going down, but no one's saying shit what happened to the home of the brave. These motherfuckers, they controlling us now, and no one's talking about how they made us modern-day slaves. And everybody's just walking around, heading the clouds and wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up. Welcome to the end of days.
The greatest hypnotist on planet Earth is a oblong box in the corner of the room. It is constantly telling us what to believe is real. If you can persuade people that what they see with their eyes is what there is to see, you know, because they'll laugh in the face of an explanation that portrays the bigger picture of what's happening. And they have.
looking like super chicken. At night I see a light through my bedroom window, but I ain't got shit with a patent pencil. I can't wait till I hear you say I'm going down, Mayday, Mayday. I'm gonna clown, cause every time that the pigs have got me, y'all rub it in with a flying Nazi. Military force, but we don't want ya standing on my roof with the rocket launcher. So fly like a nigga, but don't follow us wherever we go. The shit that I'm saying, make sure it's heard. Motherfuck you and your punk ass ghetto bird. Run from the ghetto bird. Run from the ghetto bird. Now, my homies hit a lick on a trick for a Rolex and let me try the phone next. Now the phone I was driving is hotter than July. Looked up and didn't see a ribbon in the sky. Saw a chopper with numbers on the bottom. Calling all cars, I think we got him. I hit the gas and a mash past Inglewood. I think I drove through every single hood. South Central, Compton and Watts, Long Beach, Buster U. Here come the cops. Wish I had a genie with about 3 wishes. Metal flake green on D's, I look suspicious. You know that I'm running, shit I hear it humming. Fuck, I see it coming. Is it a bird? Yep. Is it a plane? No. I hit me a right on El Segundo. Wanted to holler, had to ditch the Impala. Let's see if they would follow me. Hit a fence and another. Met me a baby pet bull and his mother. Ran up in some people's house and looked out the window. I wish it was my kinfolk. Had to pull a strap on a fool named Louis III. Cause I'm getting chased by the ghetto bird.
Just put his hat off. He combed his hair, then put his hat back on. So he's acting nonchalant up there in that cockpit going 115 miles an hour with the police chasing him. They're not going to be real happy when they catch up with him, no matter what the speed. But they hate a big mouth even worse.
Officer Bird's on his way and I don't want to see him. Could you please give me the keys to the BM? See, I didn't want to gank you, but don't make me bank you. Thank you. Tried to get to the hood and you might guess that a fool like me done shot Cyrus. Incognito, ghetto ego, saying fuck we did. All that night I heard the birds circle while I was eating fish and watching Urkel. She said I could sleep on the couch by 2 a.m. I was digging her right up the ghetto bird.
Which way is he going? Okay, now he's actually southbound on a surface street, and he was going to have to get my maps out here to figure out which surface street he suddenly turned off on. Sheriff's,
It's 50, aka Ferrari F50. Break it down. I got a lot of living to do before I die, and I ain't got time to waste. Let's make it. He's no magician, man, the kid made something out of nothing. So now niggas from his hood act like he owe him something. They talk crazy till he send niggas through there to buck him. Ask him if it's a problem and he'll say nah, it's nothing. He was gonna help him out, but since they fronted, fuck him. He don't care how they feel, they can hate him or love him. He hold his own on his own, the kid is really thuggin'. He's rich now, he ain't changed, so niggas think he buggin'. He bulletproof everything, in case niggas try and buck him. Keep 2 pistols on his hip, I show you where he tuck him. Niggas say they gon' get at him, but they can't touch him. Try to catch him slipping, they creeping, he start bustin'. He bulletproof everything, in case niggas try and buck him. Keep 2 pistols on his hip, I show you where he tuck him. Niggas say they gon' get at him, but they can't touch him. Try to catch him slipping, they creeping, he start bustin'. You heard Banks say, so you you know I got the mag. I pull up, pull out, spray hollows at your bag. I don't give a fuck, it's going down like that. I done been through a hood, dead niggas don't rat. In the heart of a victim, murder is monumental. I don't complicate shit, kid, I keep it simple. My bullet wounds will tell you a story about what I've been through. Southside trauma, drama with the llamas. I conversate with killers, it's usually about life. Politic with violence is usually about white. I'm the poster child for violence, I'm the border. When the shots start to ring out, I'm the boy with the toaster. Yeah, listen up, kicko. I hustle, I get dough, you fucking with a sicko. I spaz, let a clip go. Cannon out the rental, beam to your tempo. I squeeze, blow your mental, all over your friends.
You look like you're in another world, but I can read your mind. How can you be so far away, lying by my side? You look like you're in another world, but I can read your mind. How can you be so far away, lying by my side? You look like you're in another world, but I can read your mind. How can you be so far away, lying by my side?
Coming up, I was confused, my mommy kissing a girl. Confusion, the curse coming up in the cold world. Even rapper used to sing, check out my melody. I wanna live good, so shit, I sell dope. The heck, now that'd be dope. Tossed and turned in my sleep that night. Woke up the next morning, niggas have stole my bike. Different day, same shit, ain't nothing good. In the hood, I run away from this bitch and never come back if I could. Hated to love it, the underdogs on top. Woke up the next morning, niggas have stole my bike. Different day, same shit, ain't nothing good. And never come back if I could. Go, 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 go.
You look like you're in another world, I can read your mind. How can you be so far away, lying by my side?
In Hollywood, they say there's no business like show business.
For the wine,
In the hood, they say there's no business like hoe business.
and it's starting to decline.
You know?
Where I wanna be.
They say I talk a little fast, but if you listen a little fast, I ain't got to slow down for you to catch up, bitch.
What did we last night?